solution provider of crushing and grinding. Zhengzhou Cafe Machinery Company Limited. As an international heavy industry enterprise that is professional on the design and development of mining crushing plant and grinding plant, Zhengzhou Cafe Machinery Company Limited is integrated research and development, production, sales and after services as a whole. Cafe has got a good reputation on base of mobile crushing plant, crusher and grinding mill, supplemented by vibrating feeder, vibrating screen, etc. Cafe has formed a whole product chain, covers 4 series: mobile crushing plants, crushers, sand-making machines and grindings, which contains dozens of varieties, hundreds of models. As a corporation driven by technical innovation, Cafe keeps pace with the world and adopts advanced technology and modern management from America, Germany, Sweden, etc. Cafe has won 10 national patents of invention and 20 national patents of utility model. Products made by Cafe have passed the ISO 9001-2000 International Quality System certification and CE certification for exporting to European Union. Hundreds of machining equipments enable Cafe to produce 2,500 sets of machines annually, including various kinds and models of crushers and grinding mills, to meet the needs of customers home and abroad. Crushers produced by Cafe includes mobile crushing and screening plant, crawler mobile crushing and screening plant, VSI deep rotor vertical shaft impact crusher, JC European Technology Draw Crusher, PFW European Technology Impact Crusher, CS High Efficiency Cone Crusher, HP Series High Efficiency Hydraulic Cone Crusher, Jaw Crusher, Impact Crusher, VSI Vertical Shaft Impact Crusher, Vibrating Screen, Vibrating Feeder, etc. Grinding mills produced by Cafe mainly are VM Series Vertical Mill, MTW European Type Trapezium Mill, TGM Series Trapezium Mill, HGM Micro Powder Mill, Raymond Mill, Ball Mill, etc. Cafe is capable to provide the complete crushing plant of concrete aggregate with a capacity of 50 to 800 ton per hour and various crushing, screening, and grinding solutions. Therefore, Cafe machineries could be widely applied in various industries, such as construction, mining, chemical engineering, coal, cement, refractory industry, and etc. With the strength of high quality and professional international after-service team, Cafe gradually stands out from other companies of the same trade in China, has won and will win a more favorable report in the world. Aggregate crushing and screening plant. The aggregate crushing and screening plant generally consists of the vibrating feeder, jaw crusher, impact crusher, cone crusher, vertical shaft impact crusher, vibrating screen, belt conveyor, electrical control panel, etc. Capacity of the production line varies from 50 to 800 ton per hour, according to customers' requirements. In order to meet various requirements of customers, Cafe constructs and reconstructs crushing production line in accordance with the local conditions. With the purpose of maximizing customers' economic benefits and optimizing their investment structure, Cafe will conduct on-the-spot investigation, specific planning and designing, and be responsible for installation, debugging, and after-service. Materials will be evenly fed into jaw crusher by vibrating feeder for primary crushing, and then be carried to impact crusher or cone crusher by belt conveyor for secondary crushing. Then the crushed materials will be fed into vibrating screen for separation according to their sizes. The materials with the required size will be transported by belt conveyor as the finished products, while the materials with a larger size which cannot meet demands will be fed into impact crusher or cone crusher for reprocessing. And this is the so-called closed circuit crushing. The final products can be separated by sizes according to customers' requirements. The production line can be equipped with the dedusting equipments for environmental protection, or reshaping equipments to make the end products in cubic granule for express highway, high-speed railway, and airport construction. Working site. The crushing production line in Southeast Asia can process 500 tons of granite per hour. The main equipments are jaw crusher, PE 1200 multiply 1500, and cone crusher, 5 half feet and screens. This production line crushes granite for concrete mixing, and the end products will be separated into 0 to 6 millimeters, 6 to 13 millimeters, 13 to 19 millimeters, 19 to 25 millimeters. Crushing production line in Middle East with capacity of 250 ton per hour mainly consists of vibrating feeder ZSW 1100 multiply 4200, jaw crusher PE 900 multiply 1200, cone crusher 4 1/4 feet and vibrating screen 3YZS 2160. Sand making and washing plant. The sand making plant of cathode includes vertical shaft impact crusher, vibrating screen, sand washing machine, belt conveyor, electrical control panel, etc. According to specific situations, vibrating feeders and crushers are possible to be added in the production line. The capacity varies from 50 to 800 tons per hour. Through years of development, VSI series vertical shaft impact crusher is released to the public splendidly and defends the leading authority of cathode once again. Nowadays, it has been applied in various fields such as construction, water conservancy and hydropower, express highway, high-speed railway, concrete, etc. Red Flag Canal Reservoir, Gejoba South to North Water Diversion Project, Three Gorge Hydroelectric Project are some of the masterpieces of CAFE's sand-making production line. Bulks of material firstly are fed into jaw crusher evenly and smoothly for primary crushing and then be carried to vertical shaft impact crusher through belt conveyor for further crushing. The finished products after processing will be carried to vibrating screen by belt conveyors for separation. Materials with the required size will be processed by sand washing machine and then be transported by belt conveyor as the finished products. While material with a larger size which cannot meet requirements will be fed into vertical shaft impact crusher for reprocessing. And this is the so-called closed-circuit production line of sand making. The final products can be separated by their sizes according to customers' requirements. Other crushers such as impact crushers, small jaw crushers can be added in this production line if the input size is larger than the input opening of vertical shaft impact crusher. Also, dry process technology, classifier, and dedusting devices can be adopted additionally if they are needed. Working site. The sand making and washing plant with a capacity 80 to 100 ton per hour in East Europe consists of ZSW 960 multiply 3800 vibrating feeder, 4 1/4 feet cone crusher, vertical shaft impact crusher, VSI DR 9532 and vibrating screen. The final product size of 0 to 5 millimeters is used in concrete. Mobile crushing and screening plant. Cathode wheel-type mobile crusher is a series of rock and construction waste crushing plants. It is developed and paid great attention by cathode machinery under the principle of crushing materials at first time. The traditional theoretical fields of primary crushing and fine crushing are greatly expanded. Based on the original common trailer, cathode developed a new type steel structured trailer in boat shape, PE and JC jaw crushers, PF and PFW impact crushers, HP hydraulic cone crushers, VSI and DR vertical shaft impact crushers, and other excellent crushers can be installed. From material marking, welding, sandblasting to combination. We do perfect in every process. The come out of crawler-type mobile crusher, which is driven by hydraulic power, shows CAFID has reached to a new height in crushing field. With the advantage of flexible combination, low transport cost, reliable performance, easy maintenance, CAFID mobile crushing plants have stepped out to the world from Asia. We have enjoyed good market in Africa, Latin and North America, Australia, Russia, Eastern Europe, providing our clients simple, efficient, low-cost equipments. Working Site 3. Mobile jaw crusher consists of PE 750X 1060 jaw crusher, ZSW 1100X 4200 vibrating feeder, mobile impact crusher, mobile vertical shaft impact crusher, installed in Algeria with capacity 120 to 150 tons per hour. The raw material is granite. Working Site 4. The mobile crushing plant working in Chile with capacity 100 to 120 ton per hour. The raw material is riverstone. Final product will be used in concrete. Grinding mill. With expansion of production scale in metals and minerals, cement, construction and metallurgy industries, the grinding mill, which focused on energy conservation and emission reduction, has been playing the irreplaceable role in milling industry. As the leading enterprise of Chinese grinding mill industry, CAFID is the most prominent trendsetter, who make unceasing endeavors to develop the new generation of grinding mills. From Raymond Mill, Ball Mill, TGM series super pressure trapezium mill to MTW series European type trapezium mill, the HGM series micro powder grinding mill, and then VM series vertical mill, CAFID has successfully defended and will continue to guard its leading authority by inspirated innovations. For the above-mentioned trapezium mills, the discharging size is adjustable. The capacity is 50 ton per hour at most, with a passing ratio of 80% to 100%. In addition, the HMG series micro powder grinding mill can grind material into 5 micrometers with capacity of 5 ton per hour, while the passing ratio varies between 80% to 100%. The complete set of grinding mill is a closed-circuit production system, which generally includes a small jaw crusher, bucket elevator, feeder, grinding mill, blower, bag filter, packing machine, electrical control cabinet, etc. CAFID not only offer industrial grinding equipment with broad choices, reasonable configuration, excellent quality, and high-cost performance, but also make complete design and construction scheme for grinding work. CAFID grinding equipment can be used to process non-inflammable and non-explosive material with the most hardness below 9.5 and moisture content below 6%. The final sizes can be adjusted between 20 to 2500 meshes flexibly. Forge brand with integrity. Upgrade brand with quality. CAFID boasts an experienced and professional overseas service team, which is obliged to provide customers with consummate services pre-sale, in-sale, and after-sale. CAFID dispatches year after year a group of experienced engineers to customers' working sites to provide related after-services as installation, debugging, and technical training. Through internet marketing, participating in national and international trade fairs, and many other channels, CAFID has successfully established long-term business partnerships with numerous overseas mining enterprises. Great times gestate great corporations. Devoted to forge China top brand and to develop national industry, CAFID is marching into the future to build the international first-class brand of mining machinery with a strong momentum and inspirated innovation.